I'm going to say a word, and then you respond. Okay? Apple.
Orange.
Great. That's simple. Just like that. Okay. Peanut butter.
Jelly.
Okay. Ritz.
Crackers.
Okay. Got it. Okay, cool. She ruined it. If she would have said cracker, then I would have gotten fake offended. But she said crackers, so that's okay like that. Do you get it? How many of you are getting offended for other people right now? Yeah, enjoy your dopamine. How many of you get offended? How many of you know somebody else that literally gets offended when you hear a joke about somebody else, but they're not there, they're not upset, but they get offended for them? Yeah, because they're being right and they're getting a dopamine rush. So I'll give you a perfect example. How many of you have ever had a kid that comes in and you meet them for the first time and they're super cute? Right? They have the cute, maybe like a princess shirt or something like that. You look at that kid, you're like, oh, you're so cute. And that kid goes, oh, cute, cute, cute. That's what my other teacher used to tell me. That used to let me get away with everything. Right? Like ugly kids have to work so much harder in life to get where... Just want to see anybody smile. Someone's like, on the evaluation, he made fun of ugly kids. Okay.